You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French actress, as well as how to say more French names and celebrity names too that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel loads to learn. Here in French, in France it's said as Sandrine Bonnaire. Sandrine Bonnaire. Therefore, in English you could say it as Sandrine Bonnaire. Sandrine Bonnaire. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate the support, it helps a lot, thank you. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.